Here is perhaps the cheapest phone on the planet. This is an Emerson Slimline telephone. I only paid a fraction of that, but that was the original retail price. Now you actually can get an AT&T 210 for about $6, but those are still a good quality. This is awful. So I bought this thinking it was a different model, another cheap model, but it inherently was something else. This is the cord. Can't even be a regular 4-foot cord. I don't know what this is, like a 2-foot cord maybe. And you can just hear how hollow it is. This base is totally hollow. I don't think this, you can actually see in there. There's nothing in there. I don't think this even weighs 2 ounces. For those that are interested, there's the model number. EM2116. And then here's the handset, which has got some yellowing on it. Some of these buttons don't seem to work, or they're stuck down. Read dial is stuck down, flash is stuck down. Now the 9 is stuck down. And 8. That's a hook switch. So we got ringer, volume, and then tone, pulse. And then, oh, the ring actually has several volumes. And a mute. Huh. Well, anyways, this honestly has got to be the cheapest phone I've ever worked with. And I can't imagine it's really any good, but why not find out? Seems to work. Let's see if we can make an outside call here. Well, if the button wasn't stuck, we could probably make a call. Nope. We're not making any calls because none of the buttons press. Unless it's just having an issue because this is stuck down and this is stuck down. Well, this is certainly more hassle than it's worth. I'll ring it up just so we can hear what it sounds like. Oh, it's got a light on there. It's kind of cool. I wonder if it's a messages light. Doesn't say anything about having a messages light on there. Apparently when they took the picture they forgot to plug the cord in. Oh, good grief. Well, that's certainly slightly unpleasant. That's better. Jeez. Where is it? It's got to be in the handset somewhere. Actually, it's got a decent volume to it when it wants to sound right. See if it actually works. Oh wow, it actually seems to work. Well, anyways, this thing is probably far more hassle than it's worth to fix. But maybe I'll play around with it one day just to see if I can get it to work. Well, I just freed up the buttons, and as I had suspected, the dial pad was not working simply because the buttons were stuck down being pressed. I don't think it'll register more than one at once. So now it actually seems like it could make a call. So let's try again. Try not to get that button stuck.
We have the resources and tools to give your business.
It actually doesn't sound that bad.
Today is Saturday, May 4th. Peoples, you United Bank. Time, 7:36.
Well, it's some kind of a miracle, but this thing actually does work. Huh. So interesting. So that's why it was the buttons weren't working, because the some of those buttons were stuck down.